confidence, their grace. Everything was simply spectacular. It felt like we just traveled across continents in just a few minutes.
So let's celebrate their hard work and dedication with one more round of the loudest applause of the evening.
As our journey around the world continues, it's time to pause for a very special moment. A moment to honor those travelers who have flown higher, dared bolder, and shone brighter throughout the year. Truly, every student here is a dreamer, a creator, a learner. But some among them have gone the extra mile, crossing challenges like continents and reaching the skies of success. And today, we celebrate their hard work, dedication, and spirit of excellence. Because every achievement, whether in academics, sports, art, or leadership, is a step in their own personal flight around the world of possibilities. We now request our respected Vice Principal Valfeta Vajra along with Umpire Somani to kindly begin the prize giving ceremony.
In its truest form, the excellence that is earned through discipline, passion, courage, and endless perseverance. This prize-giving ceremony is not just an event. It is a tribute to every late night of practice, every hour of revision, every leap of faith taken on stage or field, and every dream nurtured with dedication. This evening, we honor our academic achievers whose hard work reflects brilliance and consistency. We applaud our co-curricular champions who prove that creativity and confidence are the heartbeat of holistic growth. And we celebrate our sports heroes whose grit, teamwork, and spirit remind us what determination truly looks like. As we commence this celebration, it is our privilege to invite respected Chairman Sir, Ma'am Kripi Soni, along with Ma'am Principal to the stage to do the honors. Learning is not the product of teaching, it is the product of the activity of learners. On this day, we gather to acknowledge the finest achievers of the academic session 2024-25, students who have pushed boundaries, challenged themselves, and emerged with excellence that truly makes us proud.
This year, our Cambridge learners have demonstrated extraordinary focus, consistency, and dedication. Their achievements reflect not only academic strength, but also discipline and a deep love for learning. Let us celebrate their outstanding accomplishments. Shivai Matsinga from Grade 2 International has bagged the first position. From Grade 3 Cambridge Primary, Naira Sharma has secured the first position. Amey Ajmera achieved an impressive score and stood first in Grade 4. From Grade 5, Charvi Chittora secured the first position. In Grade 6 Lower Secondary, Arisha Maheshwari secured the first position. Ayaan Shasawa achieved a brilliant score and stood first in Grade 7 Lower Secondary. And from Grade 8 Lower Secondary, Soham Soni emerged as the topper. A huge round of applause for all our Cambridge academic achievers. Your hard work shines brighter than every number on the report card. Next, now we move to the achievements from the International Board, a curriculum that demands deep conceptual understanding, clarity of thought, and consistent application. These students have not only met those expectations, but surpassed them with distinction. Grade 10 IGCSE, Bihan Patra has immensely made us proud with 5 A stars, 2A and a distinction in the International Certificate of Education Award. Congratulations, Bihan. Grade 10 IGCSE, Samriddhi Singhal achieved 3 A stars and a 3A. Well done, Samriddhi. Let's give a thunderous round of applause for all the achievers whose achievements reflect commitment, courage and excellence. And now we move to the next set of honors, the best in co-curriculars. With grace in their steps and rhythm in their hearts, the Best in Dance Award goes to Purvansh Jain and Veronica Tak from Grade 4 Cambridge Primary. Another achiever for Best in Dance is Aradhya Kumawat from Grade 5. And the Best in Dance in the secondary section goes to Pranshi Kothari from Grade 6. A huge round of applause for these young dancers whose energy and expression lit up the stage. Now we move to vocal music, the art that touches the soul and brings melody into school corridors. The Best in Vocal Music Award goes to Anavi Jain from Grade 4 and Shahana Jain from Grade 9 IGCSE. Congratulations to our meritorious stars for their heartfelt and powerful performances. Music is not only heard, it is felt. These students have mastered the discipline, precision and emotion required to bring instruments to life. The Best in Instrumental Music Award goes to Naira Sharma from Grade 4, Ridyan Sharma, Grade 8, and Navya Agarwal from Grade 9 IGCSE. Well done to our instrumental maestros for their brilliance and dedication. Art is where imagination meets expression, and these young creators. The Best in Instrumental Music Award goes to Naira Sharma from Grade 4, Ridyan Sharma, Grade 8, and Navya Agarwal from Grade 9 IGCSE. Well done to our instrumental maestros for their brilliance and dedication. Art is where imagination meets expression, and these young creators have shown exceptional creativity and originality. The Best in Art trophy goes to Laisha Kothari from Grade 3, Rushika Mansinga from Grade 4, Aradhya Chaudhary from Grade 6, and Prisha Sharma from Grade 7. Let's applaud our young artists who bring colour, vibrancy and imagination to our school. This award celebrates the power of voice, clarity of expression and confidence that lights up a stage. These young speakers have shown exceptional articulation, poise and the courage to speak their minds, be it in debates, discussions and MUN. The Best Orator Award goes to Ananya Agarwal from Grade 4, Rhythm Gupta from Grade 7, and Dishi Dadlani from Grade 8. Let's hear it loud and proud for these brilliant orators who make words come alive. Drama is not just performance, it's imagination, emotion, and storytelling blended into one magical moment. These students have shown remarkable stage presence and dramatic flair, leaving a lasting mark with their powerful performances. The Best in Drama award goes to Arav Agal from grade 5, Adya Upadhyay from grade 6, and Arush Jain from grade 8. Each of them has impressed us with their expressions, confidence, and artistic talent. A big round of applause for our rising stars of theatre. Success in sports is not about trophies, it's about courage and effort. This segment recognizes the grit, agility, and unwavering sportsmanship of our young athletes. Children who play with passion, train with commitment, and inspire us with their spirit. The Best in Sports award goes to our little grandmasters, Shivai Mansinga from grade 3, Adi Kumar Jain from grade 4, and to Anve Vyas from grade 5. Another recipient of this award is Vihana Chabra, a budding table tennis player from grade 4. Avisha Bhandari of grade 5 is recognized for her exceptional performance in swimming. And Shauri Kodhari from grade 9 IGCSE has been honored for his outstanding contribution in football. Samarth Ladha from grade 9 is also awarded for his remarkable excellence in grappling. These athletes have shown extraordinary resilience, discipline, and sportsmanship across various fields. Let us celebrate their strength, spirit, and outstanding achievements.
Some students don't just participate, they transform. Their presence creates a positive ripple across academics, activities, leadership, and the entire school community. This honor celebrates a student whose dedication, initiative, and consistent contribution have left a remarkable imprint on Sangam School of Excellence. He has excelled consistently in academics, showcased immense talent in music, represented the school brilliantly in MUN conferences, and brought pride through his performances in various inter-school events. The School Impact Award goes to Nihan Chaudhary from grade 8 lower secondary. His sincerity, leadership, and commitment makes him a student others naturally look up to. Nihan, your influence truly enriches our school and we are immensely proud of you. A huge round of applause for Nihan Chaudhary.
And now the moment everyone has been waiting for. Based on points accumulated throughout the year in academics, co-curricular activities, sports, discipline, and participation, we are delighted to announce the results. The runners-up trophy for primary.
फोटो लो।
And now, the best house trophy in primary category goes to Vayu House. A huge round of applause for our champions. May I need house members to step forward and proudly lift the champions trophy.
And now, for the senior section, the runners of trophy and our enthusiastic house representatives to join us on stage to receive the trophy. Congratulations, Agni House. And now, the best house trophy in the senior category. Applause for our champions. May I request the house mistress, Miss Mahima Rathore, along with the dedicated house members, to step forward and proudly lift the champions trophy. Congratulations to the winners. And now we come to a very special highlight that age is just a number. And now let's see in action. To begin with, badminton's doubles, we have two runners up, Mrs. Neha Watts and Mrs. Vaishali Chaudhary. Congratulations to you both. And the winner in badminton's doubles is Mrs. Roma Chabra. A huge round of applause for her. In pickleball doubles, the runners-up were Miss Payal Somani and Miss Anshu. Congratulations to you both. In Satolia, the winner was Mrs. Rekha Agarwal. Please give her a big hand. In cricket, the team member from the runner-up is Dr. Preenu Maheshwari. And the team members from the winning team are Mrs. Anamika Dangi and Mrs. Yamini Kuthari. All for moms. And now I call upon the results for dad's events. No matter who wins, the smiles and memories are the real trophies. In badminton doubles, the runner-up was Mr. Rohit Jain. Congratulations, sir. Cricket. member from the winning team is Mr. Saran Khemka. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to all the moms and dads who participated with such energy, enthusiasm and true sportsman spirit. Your involvement not only enriches the Sangam Street excitement, but also sets a wonderful example of fitness, teamwork and community bonding for our children. Congratulations once again to all the winners and participants.